If you want to learn how to become a social media manager, you're in the right track because social media has taken the world by storm and changed the way consumers or buyers find and buy products and services. As a result, many businesses have also changed the way they promote their brands. Social media is the new marketplace for many businesses, and I'm sure that you've noticed that across all social media networks, people are advertising their businesses. So, social media marketing managers' responsibilities revolve around organizing and running marketing campaigns over social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat, Pinterest, YouTube, and many more. So, in this video, I'll be discussing with you social media management, why I became a social media manager, what does a social media manager do, and what skills do you need to become a social media manager, and also what's the average social media manager salary. So please stay tuned in order for you to get all the details. So we'll be starting with what does a social media manager do? So a social media managers, they create and maintain a brand's social media identity. They work to promote a brand or business using effective social media marketing strategies and then monitor the results of those tactics to ensure that they are working. Social media managers are in charge of representing a company across social channels as the sole voice of the brand. So if you're a social media manager, you really need to know your social networks and be a very organized person and get to understand also the business side of every brand that you're working with. What skills do you need to become a social media manager? Definitely, you're going to need writing skills. You're going to need visuals and design skills. You have to be tech savvy, and you need to have video creation and editing skills. You need to know your way around the market and how to market digitally. And also, social media managers need to be adept at using their marketing channel. You have to be an analytical thinker. You need good communication skills and leadership skills. So these are the skills that you need to be good at in order to be a successful social media manager. You're probably asking yourself, what is the average salary for social media managers? So there's a lot of people who are social media managers and they're freelancing. So some of them, they charge per hour, which could start from 100 Rand per hour up to 300 rands per hour, depending on the experience and the load of work that they do. But according to Pay Scale South Africa, it says that a social media manager can make about 25,000 rands to 339,000 rands per year. So that could be roughly about 2,000 and something rands in a month, going up to 23,000 rands in a month if you're a very good and experienced social media manager. Now, the responsibilities of a social media manager are you will be creating content, including text posts, video, and images for use on social media. You will be promoting products, services, and content over social media in a way that is consistent with an organization's brand and social media strategy. You will also be interacting with customers and dealing with customers' inquiries. You will be developing new social media strategies and campaigns, and also you will be managing a budget to be spent on promoting social media posts and pay per click, which is PPC advertising, keeping track of data and analyzing the performance of social media campaigns. So there's like a lot of responsibilities that you will be attending to, and you'll also be collaborating with colleagues from across marketing departments to ensure branding is consistent, and meeting with clients and other stakeholders such as social media influencers. Now, these meetings may involve pitching potential marketing campaigns. That's why you really need to have good communicating skills. So we've come to the end of the description of what a social media manager is all about. But now that you know all about this, you probably would like to know, how do you become a social media manager? In the next video, I will be discussing with you guys or explaining how you can become a social media manager. Can you become a social media manager without a degree? Do you need a degree to become a social media manager? I'll also be covering where can you find a job as a social media manager without a degree or diploma. So please stay tuned and keep on the lookout for the next video, because it's really gonna be helpful. And remember, the day you plant the seed is not the day you eat the fruit. So please be patient. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay on the channel for more content on how to make digital income. Thank you for watching. Bye.